Sellers, beware. If you would like to sell your home within the next 10 years, I highly recommend you not put solar panels on your home. This is the issue we're having with the brokerage. In our brokerage, we have people that want to sell their homes, but we're finding out they owe massive amounts on these solar panels. From $50,000 to $279,000, like a lot of money they owe on these solar panels that they thought they were not paying for. So either do your research with the company that are installing these solar panels, or do not get these solar panels on your home if you are looking to move within the next 10 years. I say this because it will dig into the equity of your home. The money you want to receive at closing, you will not receive, because you will have to pay off the balance of those solar panels. Or we can say, all right, the solar panels will convey, okay? And if we tell a buyer they'll convey and they'll have to take over that loan, all right, so their home is already going to cost $350,000, $400,000+, so their mortgage is $2,500 or more. Now you're telling them they also have to pay, on top of their mortgage and their escrow, they're going to have to pay the amount of these solar panels. No, that's not happening. Alrighty, so if you want to sell your home within the next 10 years, I highly recommend you make sure you research the company installing those solar panels. Make sure it's the price that you believe it is. Read through it, okay? Don't just sign something if they come knock on your door, because this is an issue we are having currently in the brokerage. And even my buyers right now, when I'm looking at homes for them in the MLS, I have to make sure that under the notes, the realtor isn't telling us that these solar panels are conveying and that my buyer will have to pay $150,000, $250,000 additional to their mortgage and escrow amount. So buyers or sellers, beware, okay? Don't just get those solar panels. And actually, buyers, if you don't have an agent like me that researches, make sure you ask your agent, hey, does anything convey with this home that I might have to pay for additional to the mortgage and escrow? All right, this your girl J. Kelly Sells Real Estate. As always, peace and be blessed. All right.